Meet the Leguan 135 Neo, perfect for indoor and outdoor projects with its advantages of one multifunctional joystick operation and automatic self-leveling. We've got fast setup, it gives you more time to get the job done. We can set up within 60 seconds. Let's see how easy this can be done. So the Leguan 135 Neo is for electrical contractors, because obviously with the indoor, outdoor work, and also your arborists, building maintenance, and local authorities as well. Controlling the Leguan 135 Neo it's simple. It's one joystick operational. It's a multifunctional control. It's simple and it's precise. Yes, so if you're looking for a compact, small spider lift, the 135 Neo, it's under 90 centimeters in width, and it's perfect for them narrow entrances. You go into the back garden, so you have the advantage of that. So for your arborists, if they need to go into that tight to reach areas, the 135 Neo would be the perfect choice.